And there it goes. As you can see, I already have it set it up in the shelf. Replaced my Kenwood KX31B with this one, because this cassette deck sounds absolutely fantastic. Really. Now, as you can see, what I'm doing right now is I'm recording a song off a record. There is the sharp record player. And there is the Technics cassette deck recording. Now, the record sounds a bit muffled, and, you know, the sound isn't very good. So what I did was, I have my Fisher equalizer here, and as you can see, I have a little bit of a loudness and a lot of extra treble adjusted, and I have the whole thing in the equalizer record position, so the signal that we are hearing right now is also recorded onto the tape. A little bit of a sound improvement. And this is what we are recording. Johann Sebastian Bach with his Brandenburg concerts. Really nice music. I'm getting more and more into classical music. It's, you know, nice and peaceful. Unlike today's music, the modern music. This is one of those boxes. I like those boxes. They're like very high quality, and you know, get this, get even a booklet here. You can have everything, you know, all those infos and records. This contains 3 records. And it's really nice. This is how it looks in the record mode. It does have a record mute right there, but it is not the record mute that you usually have on like newer cassette decks, where it records nothing for some time and then shuts off. This one just cuts off the audio and you have to pause it manually. There you can see the really funny counter. And now, with the first real thunderstorm of 2010 in the background, let's find out what it sounds like. Here we go. Equalizer's turned off, of course. That's enough. And as you can hear, this cassette deck sounds really, really good. And with this little impression, I'll leave you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you again soon.